Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Coronavirus. You understand? And I believe, say, this April now, when we enter, may God guide us and may this coronavirus stop. You understand? So, may all of us feel they go out, they go work, they do what you want to do. May our children, all of them, for go back to school and all of that. You understand? So, happy new month to you all. Happy new month, and may the peace of the Lord be with you. Coronavirus, not go see, you know, go finish where we did. You know, go finish where our family did. You know, go finish where our good friends did. You understand? But you go see chance stay reach where all those our leaders when no want to make Nigeria better. You go see chance stay reach where they did, where their family did. You go see chance stay visit them. So that is for that. Happy new month. So guys, on our way they give me informations, on our way they send me videos, on our way they support me, on our way they pray for me, on our way they encourage me, on our way they call me. May the peace of the Lord be with you. I appreciate you now because we start to now. Who be me? Who know me? And thanks to that, to one of my viewer and my lovely sister who sent me €100 yesterday. Thank you, my lovely sister. May the peace of the Lord be with you. That pocket where if you bring that money come out, it go the many money go to enter there in Jesus' name. You understand? So, guys, let me go to the main reason why I'm out today. You understand? And don't forget, if you send me video or you give me information, I not talk about her. Not verse for me. You understand? Because I get many videos and many information when they send come from maybe time never reach when I still talk about that one. If that time still reach, I will still talk about that. That one not go missing me, not see they send me information. You understand? That one not missing me, you not see they call me. That one not missing me, not see they support me. That one not missing me, you not see they share my video. That one not missing me, not see they comment to my video. You understand? Because we all are one. So one of my viewers sent me a video yesterday. Say Jama First Lady. Say this video na Nigeria girl. You understand? I know if you play the, I know if you show now the video. I know if you show now the video because of the way when the video be. But if you want to see the video, when I just inbox me, when I inbox me, I go feel send on the video. I don't know how to take block on because of Facebook. Huh? I don't know how to take block on. I don't know how to take block the video. I don't know how to take. I don't know how to take block the this thing make because of Facebook. Because if I show one, I don't know. You understand? So if you want to see the video, just send me message. I will forward the video come for you. I just come here to correct our sister, Africa Jama First Lady. Not everything when you just see or when they send come for you, not be you just come and begin to talk say Nigeria guests. If we not put respect for our guest body, who want marry them for us? If we they come out on social media every time, they humiliate our guests, they bring our sisters down, how they want to get husband? Just look this girl now when we say, man, Okbea Zumboyo way, Okbea ni Zumboyo way, again nania oma so na nuwe we okay ovie Nigeria no, again nania amabege face oge. A boy none of his Zumboyo nana amabege face oge. Then we like the platform where no denia we Nigeria girl, Ethiopia Gambia, or Zumboyo Nigeria girl, or Zumboyo Nigeria girl, or Zumboyo Nigeria girl. Then we are here with Nigeria girl, and you guys Zumboyo way a face oge ma show because me get the video. We are sending me the video. Waiting there the video. Now they talk so where though, because I know I use money here both time. I don't say na here do time with the Facebook imagine. I say na here do time. You understand? So the video he haven't show him now with the Facebook. He show a banner Facebook he have block him. He haven't show. I say na explain him with a do. nene ge ona wa nyuwe yo to obie obiakpana azun boyo we ona azun boyo ona yo boya loko we jama first lady gila jano denia owe Nigeria ge e di ge hin e me na ne jama first lady na we dey we ya hen we Nigeria ge di ge hin the evidence we yi me we Nigeria ge ni hin waga gwa le viewer wa ma watching wa gboto waga gwa le ige YouTube wa ma watching wa gboto dege imaya menwa erie video kpanya be ka we dere onia ne ekita na ona we gesiva eso kan wa be tan na we Nigeria ge no eso kan be tan na we wie do no vous wa mie ave presenter so vous wa mie de ne viewers rie nu wa na tini go wa mie ni YouTube bi ni wa na mo God nu wa na mo ye do gboto na wa na mo e Nigeria gboto na tini go wa mie ni YouTube bi na Olaja no de na si ge single mother na o wa nyiwe yo to e pe na wa kulo boyo he na wa kulo boyo na wa we ya he we single mother the girl he even a video na nia me a metita we again na no waka na again na Nigeria girl again na Nigeria girl in we yes even some of Nigeria girls some of Nigeria boys in metin we anything rudigo but ogo na ni me wa beg na ona Nigeria girl wagi ya mwe video be Africa porno ne wagi ya mwe video ba ni ne wa do mula ne wa ta we Nigeria girl wa ta we Nigeria girl ekina na me fake news e mani me fake news you can be social media na Africa Jama first lady keke Mama Gladys kakabo Mama Gladys yen eva wa gwa le fake news wa mi le platform yen eva ni go be ani be de na ni agbe wo ti ya like pe kus ni ana agbe kakabo no ro Mama Gladys han o han we video o we cut boys beat one man rude viewers rudige YouTube wa money name wa fear we here ge no way marriage ge no way okoro this coronavirus no ya way marriage be there on ya okay wa we Mama Gladys no ro kakabo o we e police ware ona wa vi muta ni ya no ga river waguto ge rudige YouTube waguto ge rude viewers waguto ge why wa money na emire why wa fear we why do mu magi yo why do mu enye yo why do mu me yo vosunu na guys me I go like make una send me message for my messenger later after this video make I send that video give all of una ni send a video na ni sendenu waya no wa ge de a voice do that even a voice because the make video now in my voice and again na no way me na nia na again aso awe because Obama ke la we the game ma be so the game ma be ta we okiame or yen or one the game ma be ta the game wa river gbi if you back and nigga on the video of phone can with the video he didn't pay I think I show the video but ya wa pe my people wama anything wama we maybe we o ma gwan or ma do ata we o do azebo or do aze no am anything nene video pe here ban E me pa kan me ga we video na me pa ni me be ye we video na ya. Jama first lady here la diania or when a Nigeria girl if you Nigeria single mother o wa magunya e man ya so your word do. Ave call ni via call the platform again no denia any na via contribute by ben when I we wo Africa Jama first lady woman no ta we e den other phone shit in ya we e there your relationship in her break and with we we e ma equal bun ni mo do the we bona iho wa bun ni mo do the we bona we gbalo we o gbalo re kegbe we ayu nu yare e ko ve wa de do kono mano to you wodo ave single mother ni nu we bere ni esowo iya ready ni ya settle down again iya ready ni ya degbe la wodo but iya ma mi ope agbon like no sunu vedere on ya no sunu vedere nene girl she is close to me even the boy too of a shikemi kakabo ehona yiwa mi ebo na yiwa mi again na onata me na wunye me mare a single ye hi ye wa again na yiwa again na wa agogo he owe my last bus stop owe imiode imene again na agogo ebo na pretend again na so alu igo ne boy na again na so alu igo ne boy na at the end na again na the final we ebo na omokowo wa omomo again na matebe worry again I'm not even worry okay omo again na ye follow but at the end in there the boy na you break a heart this a boy na you break a heart then na when ya we do atawe a single mother in your money settle down single mother in your money settle down emi kede wa sunu ive Gambia awemi ive Senegal awemi ive bowe awemi ikuya na awemi we single mother no Nigeria single mother no Nigeria pa kan single mother here ive Nigeria pa kan o me single mother be we boa me mi obe Gambia oho no single mother no me mi obe Senegal oho no single mother no me mi obe Guinea oho single mother no if ye wo no single mother in bon ve we bona but what bana wa mi we emi kere ai wa sunu wa we Nigeria single mother bu wa mi awe na do mi we ekwe na mu e Nigeria ave gbot ovi Nigeria ave gboto if I we na mu ebu gboto because a country ni e ma ya kere ma we ave leaders ogima iya kin udan iya se ni mana suffer den mana ni wa ve ro na nya ma do aya kon ri egbima mana ni wa ve ro nya emi kere awa sunu me wa mo le be last speaker awa do atawe Nigeria girls away please speak English okay you no understand Bini person when I dey pass the message to or when he pass the message na get ovie do no ono say na be zedu so if you know they understand Bini my brother or my sister abeg look for person wey dey hear Bini make they interpret am to you because person when I dey talk to na Bini person so na make I dey speak my dialect why ge amu bi edo gboto why ge amu bi edo gboto why ge amu bi Nigeria gboto if ye ave government tell woman iya hu mahia iya gbogbo ma iya se ne woman na den mana ni wa bere we bonia ma do amu bi ma gboto onyo se enia we immigration ikbia oge Senegal una mi ikbia ge Gambia iya atawe go sit down there Nigeria girls they be this Nigeria girls they be that mana na o sie no na je berio mana na o yunu mu ya gboto how could you believe over Senegal power there on ya or mame or you dey talk say Nigeria girls they are the best girls Nigeria girls they are the best girls not be Nigeria girl when I sleep with 10 euro that day but we ha met mi over Senegal no do lo ke wana mia amo ha do lo ke with 10 euro wana mia Ah, mostly na egena na eye na nia ikwe meso iya gibe lele mania lele ya ge okopano call be France no there na one of my viewers no call me be France oga hama we most of ivie we man most of nene Nigeria ni mekana nia iya ivie Guinea enya lele kia be France. Inha we vie Guinea, emela you don't know ya we. Bosi na li vie Guinea, ivie Nigeria river. Inha we no, ivie Guinea or Igonia, ivie Guinea Luigonia, ivie Nigeria Luigonia. Rudi vie Guinea Luigonu wa, de wa pasi ye wa ya le livie kokobiri. Ovie kokobiri ni na hi we mi pa bania, wa gwale arie. We ase Senegal or we say Gambia, una kamia we ugwalo mana na devnia ya ho They can wear heaven in a Senegal, man. I see you where I we are living Kokobiri. And moreover, oh, when we Kokobiri, love ye kene, because my way, if you Kokobiri Nania, Eminia Muhia or Tonea. Eniania no, Eninia. Okay, we Kokobiri or Muwe Nena, or Muwe Yowa, or women or Une, then where do jam Udojam of Nigeriana? Why am I enjoy? Why am I enjoy? Why am I no Yeveriana? Do ya give me no Yeveriana? We go be no me no Yeveriana. No amu, okay, no la me ladian, okay, no lunu ladian. Then I wear banya, if when you my husband at 2 seconds, my husband not they take for my body, my boyfriend not they shall be take, my boyfriend not they take, my boyfriend at 2 seconds. I not they enjoy if my boyfriend they sleep with me. I not they enjoy if my husband they sleep with me. Because we don't say I enjoy. Oh, I go na we no pony. I go na re adani. Obi ko biri. Oh ye me no kwale ya. Oh ya scatter ne mine. Oh ya go ne mine. So then me net when I enjoy. Boy I enjoy. If we man, wa bi age man wa be kyo we na. Wabi age man wabi kyo wena. Agmo ya akyo wena. Rudiho. Rudawi ya go nue. Rudawi ya go nue. Then ukyo wene. Omwe mi no kwani. Omwe la. Oyebena. Emila olugbo gbera. Evani wa bege evani. Eyaye oye gudu. Me no gisunu that why so rudigo. Bible tells us very way, what shall it profit a man if you gain the whole world and lose your soul? What profit you eh? I was say boy bone, I got ni go ne, I did give you neck bomber, I did give go where, I give women up. Anybody know why free to her. They were not me where we are la wodo. When I'm where we are la wodo. Oga Africa Jama first lady ni la wo ijo salo gba yan. Emi na sunu veri ana. Eri ata we be Nigeria uwe ivie kokobiri. Uwo kokobiri no. Owe keke ma via atin vie we mamu. Owe keke ma via argue yi vie we ma gbe because we no be tani oko we hin owodo weje. Because most emanibu in ya tie me no there. Ena hamiana we no edemune. Iman you like a video song. Ena we na ya gu egun. Wa me mama glad this kakabo, why dey amwe fake news here? Why dey amwe fake news here? Wa ka verify me ne wa ke amwe ladian. Because when we are telling the video where or you maybe we were river ni again in Nigeria again na wa love here ni ne Gambia boy ona wa ri ebo ona wa ri lawe me ge video na no de na so no de ya send de gume be go ya we ne video e ya na send de gume me ge e ma be ge fese di ge e ma be ge fese di boy di ge ma be zebo di ge ma be ze o ma be zebo na be understand e be kan me wa ba ni be no de be di video we dog me ge ma wa ma na ba ni imela ja do wa voice wo they were given the platform where Watawe Nigeria single mother, Nigeria single mother. Then a single mother why? Then a single mother why? Why leru no why leru why do here single mother? When no more do wana ni Africa Jama first lady no na me single mother. Ave man call you when you single mother na single mother no wan marry single mother no wan marry. We are me in a single mother me woman gwan. Equation no single mother na iya kama we ni alagbera iya ke do single mother we na who believe oma owo iya wo da fun gba lo ye bed iya ba gba lo ye bed iya we mi odo ba me fune oda fun na ha me we the next day iya travel ari Nigeria e the woman na okay maka plan ene igo na mie wa isowa uya mi family me while we introduction, while we marriage, when we may met in a junior, but we are here, they no be na okay. Okoro na mu na be na ari Nigeria. Obi na you say Nigeria na, obi na ya ona ya yigo ni ya marry okwo be Nigeria. Ona ya yigo ni, ona ya marry okwo be Nigeria. From a Nigeria, oye no rema na ke ahun we oda fun ori okwo we ne Bowa. Then where do I blame only way? You are a single mother. You are a single mother. Do you know what she passed through to become single mother? Or oma waronia nyewo bia yin arowa obia na iwari ere o iwaze gbeg okay kere no honi wu then no honi na yido me wan ya odo okay marriage na no edo gbunye wa wedokpa la ni dado ge kin oge then ahwe na do blame me wey she's a single mother. Why do you blame me as a single mother na so here we e so ve ro na ve ma but ni ma ye ve ro ni ve woni ave settle down ya ye ve ro but bi ari mani bun so iya ri se bani ne iya wu eni ne iya ri okwo ni go fo ne iya elesi aye. I not feel marry single mother. I not feel marry single mother. I not feel marry single mother. You official single mother money. Single mother feel open leg. You put your cassava there. You when you know say you not feel marry single mother. What do you fair go do for where single mother dey? What do you fair go do for where single mother dey? What make the woman single mother? Now make you as a man single father. That is just the truth. Wetin make the woman single mother na make you a single father. Just that the difference when there is that say now the woman na the children they deal with. That is just the difference. Now the woman na the children they deal with. That is just only the difference when they. So now they bring all these single mothers down. May not be say other person, other tribe go do something, when I go say single mother. Other tribe go do something, when I go say na single mother, single mother no one marry, single mother na so cassava na dem one, single mother na cassava na dem one, single mother no one marry, single mother no one marry. Who tell you say single mother no one marry? Who tell you say good single mothers not still dey? Who tell you say na all single mothers na wayward? Some single mothers dey when go talk say go say since when me and my baby papa when we separate since that time come reach today another man never see my pants. There are still some single mothers like that. You go say another man never see my pants because I never ready to settle down but now I don ready. I want to still find better man. I want to still find better man. But tomorrow now, even though say if somebody can't do something, no, I can't say single mother no one. Me, I get some single mothers when confide in me, when they tell me say if they see good man, they go still marry. So go come and say, bros, as you still they talk, God bless you. Not be say we don't want to marry, but where are the good men? Where are the good men? Some single mothers they will be say if they never trust you reach that extent, say this man na the right person, they never know you well, they cannot open their leg for you. Or you think say now single mother na the something they scratch? You think say now single mother na carry head na ground? You think say now single mother na not get sense? There are so many single mothers who still get their dignities. Like one when I talked to yesterday, I be there for yesterday. She tell me he say I don't feel born one pikin for one man. But this other guy when I dey friend now, I don't want to make the same mistake when I make for the first one. I want to look this guy well. I want to study this guy well. I want to know say yes, this guy is the right person. I want to make our character blend before I fit get belle for this guy. And that is just the truth. That one I be single mother wey be say she get sense. That one I be single mother wey be say she get sense. Why I dey blame some single mother sometimes? Now be this: you meet the first man make you a single mother. The first man make you a single mother. Fine, okay, you can't meet the second one now. You know even one look the guy, or more na two know yourself, or more na study yourself, or more na understand yourself. The next thing you don't get belle again. Then tomorrow that guy go still run. That is two pikin, two papa. You no go still use your sense. So okay, may you calm down. May you look well again. You go still jump enter another one. Then you go be three pikin, you go be three papa. All those one I be single mothers when be say me I dey vex for. All those one I be single mothers when be say me I dey want to talk to. But as I dey talk to them, I go see the reason say yes, there are still some responsible single mothers. There are still some good single mothers out there. There are still some single mothers who have pride. Okay. If be, you say one guy say make his girlfriend pay for the belle when he give her. If it that guy when say make girlfriend pay for the belle when he give her, send me the information. After this video, call me. Send me that guy information. Ni me bok bera, ni me bok bije, ni tie body boy, ni nine boy ni. You see, Anna, you give girl belle. Now you see they tell the girl can't pay you. Pay you for what? This is why some of our guys in Europe, this is why they are so lazy. This is why they are so lazy, because they believe now, say, if we born now business. If I give girl belle now, the girl can't born now business. Government can't they pay the girl, can't they pay the pikin. Then from there, the pikin, that is why you see say so many marriage for this Europe, no green work. How could a man they pour for pikin money? Wetin concern you as the papa concern pikin money? That pikin money supposed to be say as that money they come, you go open account for that pikin, then you go they put half of the money for the pikin account, then your woman go dey use the other half till they buy some petty things, because not be every time, not be sure they have to say only salt don't finish you, only maggi don't finish you, only this one don't finish you. If it still finish, maybe you never come for work or you not get money, that half when they without your woman, she'll still quit and still arrange small thing. That's supposed to be. Not be when man go they put eye for woman money, they put eye for pikin money. No. The boy say, pay me money for the belle when I give you. When I give you, pay for the pregnancy. Yes, for real. Send me the information. After the video, call me. My WhatsApp number remains the same. +39 35 11 20 42 09. That's my WhatsApp number. Call me after the video or call me now or send me the information. I messed that boy up. Not be government money, pregnancy money. Huh? Most of our men, they are lazy. A real man, when they say if they break, he don't go work. He go get time to take the remember say they pay pikin money. You know go get time. Now the lazy ass, the lazy men, the central men, the men when they say they bleach their body. How could a man they use bleaching cream? How could a man they use bleaching cream? How could a man come put earring for ear? You be woman? How could a man come dey plait hair, come carry dread? Are you a woman? A real man, a real dude who dey work, a real dude who dey busy, you no go get time to dey do all those rubbish. And wetin dey pay me for inside, all these guys, they go know say yes, this boy na central, this boy na lazy ass, this boy no get anything to offer. They go see they follow them. They go see they run follow them because of fine boy. Na fine boy that they kill many of una. The boy is too cute. The boy is too handsome. The boy is too handsome. I cannot do without him. I cannot do without him. You are a fool. Tomorrow I will turn you to a single mother. Then you start complaining for me. You start messing. Mamma mia. You start calling me. You don't turn me to a single mother. You not know say this boy not get anything to offer you before you the open leg for her. Huh? Pregnancy money because I give you belle, you must pay me to pregnant you. Yes, Evie, send me, or if you fit call me for my WhatsApp number now, may you explain, or if I finish the live video, call me, send me the informations. You just open eye, you know say this boy, you go. This boy not get wanting to offer you, but you open leg for her every day. You know say this boy, una to the date, this boy they beat you, this boy they assault you, this boy they embarrass you, this boy they humiliate you. You dey talk say he go change, make I carry home, he go change. Then you can't open leg, belle can't enter, you can't born the pikin tomorrow. You come dey cry tomorrow say I don't know, I you say he go change, he not gonna change, I no fit for this thing again. You are a fool. You are a fool. In a way I said to him oto anata. If you not fit carry na grant na you for talk. If you dey go out with boy, you see say this boy, you know they walk, you know they do anything. You see, I say this boy, if they embarrass you, this boy they beat you. As soon as they date, nothing for tell and say, I don't need again. If you see, I say this boy, na boy will be say they nag, man go they nag like woman, man go they talk. When I will get small argument, the man go he go they fight when he want report to. You just better than say no, I don't want. Not be say you can't pretend, maybe belle can enter. After belle don't enter, then you come and say no, I not fit again. I just see me I manage you before whether you go change. No. Are you a learner? Are you a learner? I think it gets some 2 girls, I be 3 girls, when me are they even chat for Facebook. As we they chat. I ask them say, are you married? They say no. I say, okay, I like you. Can we date? He said, bros, I'm sorry. I don't engage. I'm engaged. I say, you are engaged? You say yes. Are you sure? He say yes. I say, okay, no problem. Boy, when put ring for your hand, the boy put ring for your hand. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. The ring sit in your hand. The ring don't turn to blood of the ring. If you go see some of the hand now, the ring don dey shop am, e don dey shop am. Nene ring omagin ya mufua, omagin ya kie, oyereba ni. If person talk to them, they say I'm engaged. If man talk to them, they say I'm engaged. Engagement my foot. Then they deceive una with engagement. A real dude who know say yes, I want to marry this girl. If he engage you, you're not supposed to pass 2 months. You're not supposed to pass 4 months. You're not supposed to pass 6 months. You don't go see your family. You don't go put money for your head. That one might be good engagement. Not the way they will put blood of the ring for una hand. Why am I here? Some of them go to do live video. They do the hand like this. I'm engaged. A man engage you. That is not a guarantee that man will marry you. Engagement A man can engage a woman, and that engagement can be broken at any time. And one man can engage at least about 5-10 girls. Yes, it happens. It happens. See many of them for Facebook now. They will say engagement. You don't engage me. You don't engage me. A year to come, 2 years to come, call that girl. Say, Alpha, when we be on marriage now, you go say, my brother, we still dey plan. We are still planning. We are still planning. You are a fool. That guy is just deceiving you. And more than not forget, say, now woman, ohu omola, eobia. A man that engaged you for 2 years, for 3 years, for 4 years, you are still waiting for the useless guy. You are still waiting for the mumu guy to come and say, let's go and do marriage. At the end, if that guy come, just count maybe 5 years of your years, or 10 years of your years, or 3 years of your years don't come out. At the end, I make many women today not get picking. Now make many women today not get picking. Because one guy engaged them, and they wait for that guy. Then they wait for her. Okay, you say, who want to settle down with retire Igbiagia? My brother, this thing where you just also done Monchino. This thing where you just talk so, my brother, I will tell you, say, I disagree with you. Please, if you want to contribute, you can call me on WhatsApp. You can call me on WhatsApp. Let me put my WhatsApp number. Before I go answer that, our brother. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. Let me pin. May I pin my WhatsApp number here? Okay. I don't pin my WhatsApp number for here. Now, let me answer that, our brother. You say, who want settle down with retire Igbiagia? You when they date girl, you know say that girl na Igbiagia. You know say that girl na prostitute. You dey prostitute money. You dey prostitute go open leg, you go put your cassava there. You dey tell prostitute say I love you. Okay, we have a call. Hello. Hello, caller.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, I dey watch you for line. You dey line, right?
Yes, I dey line. Where you dey call from? I dey line. You dey watch me. I dey line. You know they hear me. You understand? You when you know say that girl na ashawo, as what they call them, the girl na prostitute. You go sleep with her. You go chop her money. You go do her everything. The girl go do you blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah. She go do everything finish. You know say you not go marry her. You dey deceive her. The one wey you want go marry, wetin she be? The one wey you want go marry, wetin she be? Not be ashawo, not be okpo. Which woman not fair do road work? I respect the women when do road work. They can't do it sometime. They come see and say, yes, I don't jam the right man. Make I settle down. I respect them. Not be all those women when don't reach 40 years, 30 years, 60 years. They see they do road work. All those ones now they insult. Hello, caller.
Hello, my brother. Good morning.
Yeah, good afternoon. Where you come from?
Yeah, afternoon. I mean,
where you come from? I don't say you mention your name. Where you come from?
UK.
Okay, carry on, man.
All right, that commenter when he comment that thing, he want to say he never pay fuck Igbiagia before.
Okay, let me ask him.
He go to say he never pay day with Igbiagia before. If you don't eat Igbiagia money, na go kill him.
No, I beg, no insult. No insult.
All right, I not go cut, but waiting to just comment, so it's very bad. Or if you never even chop Igbiagia money before, any of your family, you want to talk, say any of your family never pay do Igbiagia.
Would they hear you, man?
May they know the way that they comment. Very bad comments, to be honest.
Okay.
I beg, bros, if you do, send me that picture when German said the share yesterday because I not really asked her because I block her for my this thing. The way two of them say they talk is really annoying.
Not
To be
before
honest.
not before I even do. Me, I'll find your this thing here now. Me, I'll send her for you.
All right, I beg, send that for me, make I wash them. Because I know what I asked her yesterday, but I just they wash her. They see the way she they shout.
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, bros. Bye bye. I they wash you.
Okay. Hello, caller. Hello, caller. Load one we tell you, if now they call, this one will be the first time when I they talk now. If now they call, more they load one, the one when I say they wash me, more now they loan. The one when I say they wash me, when I go loan, move for fear ourselves. You understand? So my brother, if you know say you know want marry igbiagia, if you know say you know want marry prostitute, not eat prostitute money, not sleep with them, not deceive them. Because all these people when they call prostitute, they be my sister, they be your sister. Hello, caller. Hello, caller.
I thought that this number is the one you need to use. I don't know.
Yes, it's my number. Load the one you are watching me from. It's my number. Load the one you are watching me from, please. It's me now. You are talking to me now. Oh, guy, it's me that you are talking to. Load the one you are watching me from. I contribute. People are hearing you. Hello? Organa me the live video. Do you know they hear me? Hello, caller. Hello. You they talk to me. You they say the guy when he did a live video. I beg, if una they call, one of the load the one until they wash me, make una the lower. I beg. So as we are saying, woman when do igbiagia, woman when they do prostitution, e not mean say that woman not go enter husband house. Except the wayward ones when still they do at the age of 30, 40, 50, 60. Except all those ones, let me go they insult. All those ones, let me go they insult. If una get their picture, una go say na come for me. I will bring that picture come out. Hello, caller. Hello, caller.
Hello?
Yeah, good afternoon. Where are you calling from?
UK.
Okay, contribute.
And about the guy where they say who go settle with Ashawo in the case.
No insult.
You know,
no
say
insult,
those people na human being. Na human being too. Some people say they do and not be say they do and say na from there, but then they do and say make them just help their family. They still get good ones there. No go just clarify all of them like that.
No be lie.
Yeah. Now which I want just put may you know if you person want talk, may just reason. Him go swear say he never carry them before for in life. He go feel swear for in life, in whole life.
Okay, thank you. Thank
No
you,
bad.
caller. God bless you. You understand? Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I want to contribute for this matter.
Where you they call from?
Jamie, your sister.
Okay, contribute. I know say na my sister. I want maybe people here.
Okay. First of all, that bros where he called just now, where your fair call just now before me, because God will bless that boy. They train that brother, whether na man or my boy, they train now when I first way get respect. Oh, you see that second corner where he come, huh? First of all, if you never na virgin, I they say marry mama. Everything they say, ashawo. Now when they wait, they husband have now they square pass. Not be one that disgrace that the way they may die if they want buy something, may buy this one. Some people they don't know how they say they talk. If they don't hear about single mother, whether na woman where they husband have na each one, we don't say na single mother. Right on our forefather, na single mother start to the exist. Now we they call her single mother. For Nigeria na widow. Was that me say before anything, you say single mother useless, baby, I shall will baby. See, how many he marry fool for us? Because the girl comes to say, I don't want marry, I want to go and shall work. Oh. Why they talk like that? Maybe they talk well, make God not come go the punish them. You never talk and shall before.
Okay.
That go that way come before I come, now God now he go bless my mother now he trainer. There's nothing that not still be equal. I don't go talk to me say did they thief, now they just thief. I'll just say all the old boys where they now all of them are thief. That's one of my contribution. May you know how to do. If you want to contribute, you go to be contribute. When no go that you hear me.
Okay. Thank
The
you.
one way you want man, if you not be virgin, I think the first virgin, my God go punish him. Sorry. If you want marry, make go marry virgin. If you not marry virgin, I'm God I go punish him.
Please, no insult, I beg.
Bye bye, my brother.
Okay, thank you, my sister. Man, some people, you won't take the comments and not they understand. You can't forget, say that ashawo na person. Is some ashawo, is some girls when they do prostitute tell you waiting make them enter. You go cry for them. You go cry for them. Even for that Nigeria, so for Nigeria when we dey, or for Africa as a whole, before you go give girl work, the manager go say one sleep with her. Director go say one sleep with her. Even some workers there don't say they want sleep with the girl. If the girl just not look at, maybe 4 people for the company say they want sleep with her before they'll give her a work, or 2 people for the company say they want sleep with her before they'll give her a work. And she go say for me to just give all this for free of charge, make I better just enter road, make I dey collect money. Anybody give money, you do. Anybody give money, you do. Hello, private number. Where, good afternoon. Where you come from?
I'm calling from Italy.
Your number is on private.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Are you a married woman?
No, I'm not.
Okay, contribute.
I want to reply the boy that said he cannot marry retired grandpa. The fact that somebody is walking on the street, it doesn't mean that person is retired grandpa. Not every girl that does prostitution is doing it because they want to do it. Some of them are doing it out of because they don't have any option. There are so many girls that are doing that prostitution. They are better than many girls that they are not doing it. The fact that doing prostitution does not condemn human beings. Everybody that came to this Europe, they came here to also to survive for their families. Don't judge people because they are working in the street. You don't know who you will end up with tomorrow. You don't know who your sister will end up with tomorrow. You don't know who your sister is. So they should learn to control whatever they are saying, because since you still affect many people in the Lord, that's what I want to say.
Okay. Thank you, caller. You see? That is just the truth. Many of the women when they husband house, waiting they be. You as a man when you say you marry a woman, in the night you will carry the woman go road work. The woman will go do the same ashawo, carry money come they feed you for house. You when they date girl, you know say that girl, she still they go road work, and you want to settle down with that girl. Why you not change that girl life? Why you not tell that girl say this road work where you dey go, so I not like her? Stop, make I take care of you, or stop, make you go find better work. And now when she dey do the work, I want to talk to una. Una when she dey do prostitution, if una see do am small, more na rest. If una do am small, more na enter house. Job no dey, they do prostitution 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. You see the road work. Weekend job no dey be that. Weekend job no dey be that. If una do am small, na see better man when one marry una, make una enter house. Not be when one put blood of the ring for una hand, not be how they talk. Not be the man when one come deceive una, put blood of the ring for una hand, not be how they talk. Not be the man when one come make una single mother, not be how they talk. Hello, caller. Hello, caller. Good morning. Where you dey call from? Some of una, I don't understand the way when I take talk to una. If you dey call me, load the one wey take dey watch me. Because if you not load the one wey take dey watch me, you no fit dey hear me well. But if you load the one wey take dey watch me, you fit dey hear wetin I dey talk. Hello, caller.
Hello.
We dey hear you. Hey, Frank Victor, my brother, I must greet you.
You see, let me just give a little advice to our boys there in the building. You understand? You see, it's like the problem where they make single mother for this country. Now the low mentality that our boys get.
Frank Victor, see, I know that you dey house. You fit add me for WhatsApp. May I put am for last speaker because this one not the loud way. Okay. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, boss. I want just make some more contribution to the live broadcast that they do here.
Okay, we dey hear you.
But me, I don't get problem with all these guys when they do road work, when they do road work. But the problem with me, I get with this work when they do so. Now the boys and those guys when they far, all those elderly men when they far away before they do live, they show people online. Me, I don't understand. What did that one call me for? I don't know now their papa or the people when they do this central have been at the people where Facebook and let may they bring people come out. I don't understand.
You say people when they bring boys picture say they be central. Say whether na Facebook tell them that they bring people picture come out, I be waiting.
I don't know. Waiting come with the interest or they give all those people one game to they show people online and they do all those kind of things.
Okay. My brother, make I tell you something. As you be now, you get sister. Your sister come. That your sister, so now your man na suffer for house. Now your mama na still suffer when she take enter abroad. Then that girl come enter enter Europe. If she dey work, you no remember your mama, she no remember your papa. She come dey give one black boy when they use bleach cream take dey bleach body, when put earring for ear, when carry dread, he come dey give the boy money. How you go feel?
But I will feel bad, but that will not be social media work, not be social media family. Social media not be the family of the boy or the family of the girl. That one between you and your sister. Social media not be for you to come bring people, come they put their picture, all those things. That one between you and your sister to una go talk to the family from
No problem, I hear you. Frank Victor contributes. Me on that time. I just say this guy na one of those central. Frank, talk. We dey hear you, my brother.
I greet you.
I must greet you, Baba.
I greet the house.
The house greet you.
May God bless everybody when they listen to you.
Amen.
All the viewers, all the comments, may God bless all of them.
Amen.
For this situation with this coronavirus not return our house.
Amen. No.
My contribution with this, I want just let a little advice to our boys. Them, you understand? Where they get that mentality to say this one a shower, you know, to marry a shower. You understand? One thing is sure, with me, I know based on my brain, my mentality. Every woman for this world now shower, both my mama, both the woman and shower. The highest shower we don't get for the world now our mothers, we bonus. As so as a man, the day when you pass your man to talk command, that day your man become a shower because why? Your man born you know where can come when you come this life. Your prick it attached to your man to talk when you come this life. So you for you to even sleep with your man, you be worse your mother than the worst a shower. You understand?
We hear you.
No man will come this life, what not pass woman to talk command. So when you know say you not be married, I say why you go pass woman to talk command?
Okay.
Many men not get that mentality. Why God not create you when you not may you vanish come this life because you not pass woman to talk command? You understand? Because when you come this life, your spirit join with your mouth to tell you now, be breathe. You understand me? So, and our father for us, our people for Nigeria, he joined the problem when most of our boys get all those baby, daddy pets, mommy pets for us. When they listen to their father. Many parents join problem when many guys get for this people. You do not know. You understand me? But you know, bring Igbiaga, go give your papa and your mama for Nigeria. But if you chop Igbiaga money,
okay.
Igbiaga give you money, make you buy clothes. Igbiaga buy clothes for your body. Igbiaga buy bling for your neck. You don't know so that cost you they collect like that. You understand? The Bible said all things are past, all things become new. The day you meet your wife, automatically your wife become a virgin to you. That very day.
That is it.
You understand? Whatever she has done in the past is for the past. You have that mentality that even though your wife and the worst I shall also for the day when you fall in love with her, let all those old things which you don't do go forget her for your memory. As a man of wisdom, a man who ready to settle them, one want get wife, we want get life for this life. You understand? But the moment you begin to get that mentality that this woman don't get, it don't do road work, your heart not going to be settled.
At all.
Because that same woman you want to go marry for Nigeria, so it don't person do Romeo for Nigeria. My dear, believe me or not, more Nigeria girls with their home, now they worst past women with Europe.
Where?
Because the women with Europe, only some of our women for here, they use Oyibo they work, they use their crocodile they work. But our women for home, they use sugar daddy, sugar mommy, sugar sister, different kind of countries where they go. I don't know. Europe, yeah, would they see Ashawo, but Nigeria, now they get Okbo, now they get on stage. You understand? They're on the sleeper. Today, Abuja, next tomorrow, Port Harcourt. You were sitting one way there with you for you, where they would help you, they accuse you. You go, they criticize them. They use much, they spoil them. If you are a responsible man, you meet Ashawo, you go change them from Ashawo to housewife, to a responsible housewife. That's why you are a man of wisdom. And nobody those men will be say, you go see they allow your wife, they go, they do road work. Because of money. And some of our women too, it be like they inherit the work. Now they inherit. Some you even when they stop the work, they don't go to stop the work. It is their blood. Not the Europe, they start from Nigeria. I will your can. They don't sleep house. We don't forget to put the blame all the men. I said for my body. I said for woman body. Then you go see my way go truly love woman. You go tell the woman to stop that work. The woman will refuse to stop that work. Now those are the Crocodile Fertilization Association.
That kind of woman, maybe they give me their picture. You
understand? I mean, I think what how we get wisdom. You go live on. No, you that boy has no only man can man. You understand? But the responsible way God bless with wisdom, no matter how old you be, no matter your man, the man God give you, go come meet you, come meet down, they beg you, may you marry him. You understand? You know me say because you don't go road work. We all know say our country hard. It get our country be. If not be this abroad, Nigeria will not collapse.
Where?
That's what they see for Africa now. Now, Ashawo money they take you down. Now we talk food, now they hard. Benin as a whole, when you for come, we know say the pilot for that Benin, Ashawo that they get up. If this home good, we will pass Lapa the entire Europe.
No.
We don't know graduates with that actually. Person will say in parents never count 100,000 for how many years? It don't come Europe, it pays on the count millions. Then you blame and say they do Ashawo. Responsibility, when the whole family not carry, only one care carry for how many months? Then what do you expect? Then you as a man will see that kind of woman. Well, if you come up for night, 4 o'clock, go to hustle to earn a living, you they call the criticizer. Oh, you don't help. Why you not pay that girl money for streets, make you enter house? You understand?
Yeah.
Any woman when they do Ashawo, now what they choose to do, if they get if they work for your company, if they get an opportunity to work for your company, they will call you to do Ashawo.
No, come.
Now person no person, then Nigeria they move. If your papa not a big man, you don't get any company, you don't work for any company for Nigeria.
At all.
You know how many graduates will die for C? When they get their quality to work for any company, they don't work for them. They will call you, call the hustle. You they call you, call the blame us. Why this is an shower? Do they talk? They don't talk about the people they do shoro.
Okay.
I don't want to run and sleep for Bible, begging and sleep for Bible. But when they do what they earn a living for Europe, how many live video presenters don't come and say why boys they do shoro? What day?
You're not there.
We are call Europe on the hustle to earn a living. So we don't need to criticize all those women. If you love them, stick with them. Be honest with them. If you don't want just a shower, leave them alone. Stop eating their money. When they come to bleach yourself, they deceive them, say you are the right person at the end, you are just there to eat up their money and dump them at the end of the day. That one, if those will not even cost, you don't claim cost, go give yourself. You understand?
Yeah.
So when they use this video, they beg our boys then. If you want to do it honestly with your heart. If you don't want to leave them, let them be. There are people that will also hook up with them. Every woman with this life gets a man.
Well.
You understand? Only say we as the man, we use our wife, say they do girlfriend, say they do fucking mate. Now some women say they use their husband, say they do boyfriend. Because of lack of knowledge. What they don't get. My father used to make parable, say the day when you go meet your wife, you go know that day. You understand?
Yes.
How many men go meet their wife, what they go know? Because they see the woman do it, if they road work, they go meet her for road work. If it be your real wife, but because you see her for road work, you go criticize her. You understand?
Yeah.
It that makes sense. There are responsible women who do streets today, they also they do road work. They came from a responsible home. But because of poverty, they go road work, they go to do all those work. It doesn't make them a prostitute like that. It's just a matter of time. Empower them, they go do something. You understand? Honestly, so come take out the fabric work. You understand? So you have to now advice and prayer. That we're going to pray for them. And even our boys them. The same thing goes to our boys. Some of our boys they will get documented. So they work, they don't go work. They take Shoro as fabric work. You go Africa shop and you go see all those APA, they know the people they give the 20 euro for 5 o'clock. They know the one they give the 10 euro for 12 o'clock. They are chefs when they go the red. They know they do another work, you know.
Hey, Shoro, don't
You understand? Even as a rich Shoro, why are we so guess we're talking about? We don't talk about our men. Our old men with the coin, they go kill this Shoro for her. Then we find out Shoro. They protect that apostle waiting for to know the Noah. The one waiting for Napoli, the Noah. Always guess. They bring their so they come and do this one. It doesn't make sense. These are our mothers. These are our beautiful women. When we go and encourage, these are the ways of wisdom. They go learn. They go change. The way you see they deceive, they toast, they deceive, they use that orientation to change their lifestyle. Make them responsible women. You never see man when woman use clothes out of back when they fall. When woman tie you for back, you not go out for anything when you put your hand on, you're gonna go smoothly for you.
Well.
You understand? The problem most of our men get they want. They don't want woman for hand, the woman tie you for back. They lead you with prayer. Carry bread, come out in the middle of the night, pray for your husband. Anyway, anything you put your hand, you go, come back, nothing will happen. All these worldly men, they look them. There's a woman behind you. Instead, when you go out for the Europe, they use man to this one, human to this one. It's not going to be good for us. Man will try to change. Now, the little advice I get for me, that one. I agree with you.
Thank you, Frank Victor. The women were in one of the universe. So, two leg back. Emero no wato. Wato, brother. Where see? That is just the truth. You understand? Now, the basic fact. You not join one side because they see some comments when some people they write say, bros, you they join this side, you not join any side. As he talk to the men, that's why he talk to the women. Because there are so many women when sacrifice to be with man, but that man fuck them up. Hello, caller. We dey hear you, my sister.
I'm not going to put my brother, that caller will call just now. Now my bros, and God will bless that caller.
Amen.
God will butter her. If you go well, woman see come and whoever mama, umara fadina. Osamo go okay and bless a bros, a bravito. What if you what if we give me a live video or a Facebook, we may hit like a Facebook. There are many responsible single mother. They are only allowed. Okay, a therapy place on all that. We are going to show Piani for Kenny. I'm going to marry a man on allowed to pay one man in the cocoa no way. At the end, when they brought in the go and not can get a blessed. You know, I said, but now the day, even for 19th century, when you need a youth for a young. Many single mothers or wet in Navy. It's wet. Always they used to cry in the day and night. Well, only here when we are over without a driver or happiness in the book. Or other one I read there, everybody by zero. A happiness in also in the book error. Many single mothers have been a song when more power over than a year to year. I really love the way Bravito, so God will bless her. Now, then they make us a big single mother. Many single mother. You want married, but you don't see happiness. You don't go come on. I go to be a man who will be a man upon money. Here, Mama Dog Bell, we're not going on the way the Bravito type. And if what they read, you know, this year, I left his boyfriend, I left a good boyfriend. Oh, I did do wrong.
Only okay.
Oh, I did do wrong. Not the single mother, mama, and in 100%, all of the day, and then I cried, I said they sleep, now cried, I said they wake up. Because they say, yes, to end. They are picking go just very fast, no man, nothing. I will vow, you almost and I won't pass the 100 man, I'm not going to wear a Bravito highway with a real house, okay, I want a passion. The single mother, mama, no, I was your man with both them. A boy say, well, hey, or you're gonna go with a video, nothing more than a bob of money. Or you know, we have to go. I don't have been over the Benin Street, nothing more than a money. Now we are in a swap, very and Rogi and Swapping. Though I have to go more than you pass out, we are dollar one money. Every people, you know, you are not pass out when I break it. You don't know we need to hear you. No, you should go more than we give you. That is my contribution. They brought no, they're calling me not getting a guan. O salão vai a bless o viedo no viedo.
Wesley, my darling sister, may the peace of the Lord be with you. Understand? That is yours. One thing when I like to talk is this. Some men, that time, when fair come, we can spoil Europe for us. Avere central, ave brother we mumu, ave brother we deceive our women. We make our women not get trust for us again. There are many. There are many. That is why now if they affect me, if they affect the other guy when he come today. If you talk to a woman, I go say, I don't go give my chance again. Oh, waiting that brother fair do me. Waiting that brother fair do me. Yes. Now so it still be for some of our sisters. That time when it still come, all those sisters when mumu. When still do some of our brothers something, when we say all those our brothers now, they no want settle down again. They go tell you say, I have nothing to do with any woman. So as it be for this side, that's so it be for this side. As it be for men's side, that's so it be for women's side. You as a prostitute, when not see guy, come meet me. I'm vacant. I will marry you. You as a single mother, when not see guy, come meet me. I'm vacant. I will marry you. Yes, I will marry you all. Put you under my roof. Me I turn to the Bible. Solomon, when be father of the nation. I will break the record and turn to father of the nation. What my people? You understand? So it is bad if you don't want to marry Ashawo, if you don't want to marry retire Okpo, not eat the Ashawo money, not eat the retire Okpo money, because no matter what or you key, woman got you up finish, woman buy you markers, woman buy you jeans, woman buy you everything, woman clean you up. Woman give you money, you say go give that your mama, say go give that your papa, say go give your family. Then at the end, you can't tell the woman say, my papa say, make I not marry Ashawo. My mama say, make I not marry Ashawo. Èmi o wa gbo egbera ni, èmi o gbo egbiju enu wa biju enu wa le mi wiwa. Wetin that your mama be, your man no be Ashawo. Wetin your papa be? Wa le mi wiwa. Any boy when do you like that? Mo picture e gun me, kade matter come for me. He say na all laini. O be laini gbera. O be laini no pa. E coronavirus so gbe liyan ya. And any woman when still do you like that as a guy, mo picture e gun me, mo matter e gun me na. Again he say na all laini o be laini gbera. Coronavirus so mu. Yeah, my brother, that is superstar, my superstar. You say, I beg, leave them. Even most of the women, if they see better man, they not go follow. Now the one when they jobless, they talk. Okay, talk lie to them. Yes, not be lie, my brother. You know, say some women. May I tell you what some women like? Some women they like guy when they talk lie. Yeah. If you they talk lie, you go get 20 girlfriends. If you they talk lie, if you shall be lie, you will get 20 girlfriends. Some women not like boy will be so content and say, hello, I still dey campo. And I see they go and go they do shoroti. I not get money, but I know say God go do one. Oh, well, my way well. Iria we go the way God go do one, God go do one. My way well, wa. It don't look be as you say. My way well, last year we are do. If you call that guy again, he not go pick your call. If you call again, he go pick, go say, I dey busy, we'll talk later, I go hand down. But the one we go just come, hello. You say hi, you go say, you know me, my partner be Igbinedian. If you see my house, me I be big boy. If you come my apartment, not go there. I too soft. I get money. I work for a year company. I work for there. The guy will say, oh boy, erunera me wana wa owa se. Ukpo boni me wale le wa owa se na don't catch big fish. I don't catch big fish. Now the kind of guy when I want, the kind of man when I want. Not be that useless one when they call me, they tell me say na so if they do shoroti, na so they do farm work. My one bass will say, he go run go. He go follow that one. After don't follow that one don't sleep with on the first time, second time, third time. If luck even still run against the girl, the boy go give him belly, he go run leave him. Then tomorrow you come see the girl come they cry. Na God go punish you. Not be so you tell me, oh. Not be so you tell me, oh. Na God go punish you. You are a mugu. You are a mugu as a girl. So my people, more so they follow fine boys. So they follow blishy boys. Stop they follow central boys. If man tell you say, see as I be, carry your head, come down. Stay with that man. Love that man. Wetin matters in life is love. Because 2 heads is better than 1. If that guy really loves you, not look say that guy not fine. If that guy loves you, love can conquer so many things. Love can conquer so many things. But most of our women today, they don't look for love. They look for ego, money. If you get, come and meet me. If you not get, go far. That is why some of our men today now, they constantly open eye. Say, any woman will not get money, I not go date. Now the woman will get money, now go dey date. Yes. That is just the truth. Why they argue me? More they lose something they do. But if we dey talk, most of them know they hear. But some of them go see they hear what we dey talk. So on that note, you will not fit marry ashawo. You will not fit marry prostitute. Not eat their money. And you will be say, boy, put ring for your hand. It can't pass 6 months. It can't pass 1 year. It can't pass 2 years. that ring, carry am, take go stone am. Carry that ring, take go stone the boy. That is it, because person wey never ready for marriage no go engage girl. Na person wey ready for marriage na go engage girl. That is just the truth. As I be now, if I ready to marry, I go carry ring, I go put for girl hand. Hello caller, flashing. You understand? I go put for girl hand. I go not say yes. I already dey prepare to go see the girl parents to go do the normal thing. Not be say I never ready. I can't carry ring, put for girl hand, come share for social media. They don't count me join one of the boys when they don't engage. They don't count me join one of the girls when they don't put ring for her hand. You are a mugu. You are a mugu, because any boy when don't put ring for your hand now, are we a mona name? Are we a mona name? And you as a girl, you can't get that for me and say, yes, he don't put him for my hand now. He's my husband. I can do anything for him. I can do anything for him. Mona, they use my sense. I not come here, can't join one. I quarrel with this one. I tell this one the truth. I tell the other one the truth. I not join one. No, I not join one side. Because as they see bad boys, that's why they see bad women. Now some women, they will be saying you go to tell them the truth, say I love you, I want to settle down with you, but look as I be, they go they are here, they carry stone cover their ear. Bros, that one on my WhatsApp number, and my WhatsApp number be this. My WhatsApp number now be this. So if you call me for WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number be this. You understand? If you know say you're not there for Italy, you not get Italian line. Add me on WhatsApp. You call me on WhatsApp. And my WhatsApp number and I be this. So if you're there for Italy, you feel call me direct, or if you see call me for WhatsApp, no problem. You understand? So many women today, they are crying because they make the first mistake and they don't want to make the mistake to repeat itself again. They don't want to make the mistake repeat itself again. But one thing when I tell them, if you know say man not good, not born one, may you born two, may you born three, may you born four, may you born five. If you can't born five, you can't born four. Which other man can carry you serious? You know there. What you want to born again? Wahai beer will be sent up their banner. Which other one you want born for the new man when one come? You know there now. If you know say man not good, you born one for him. Let him go look for another man. You born two for him. Let him go look for another man. Not the same way you look for another man, then that other man when you look for, you know about study the man, you know about know the man, you just still open leg again, the man go enter pour for inside, you get belly, still born again. You come be two papa, two picking, three papa, three picking. Some women they don't because of benefit. They will get 5 children, 5 papa, because of children money. It is bad. If you be that kind of woman, stop her. If you be that kind of woman, stop her. So that is for that. Before I round up, may I quick talk something. I watched a video where people, may I play the video first before I go talk about this video. Let me play the video first, because our black people with their black mentality, all their own more killer, more kill that person, more burn that person house, more destroy that person life. May I play the video first?
There was pandemonium in Abudu as youth protests affected activities of the area. They called for the arrest of the community leader who was alleged to have raped a 13-year-old girl. The youths who had attempted to burn the house of the said prominent indigene later went to the police station as he was rescued from being lynched. The irate youths were later dispatched by the police with the use of tear gas.
When I see so, if something happen, the first thing when our brothers and sisters when they have spent they do, they go beat that person. If they not kill that person, they go beat that person. That person don't go. They go beat 5 years or 10 years more of that person's life. Secondly, they'll say they want to go burn that person's house. You burn that person's house, you not solve anything. Oh. These things when they happen now, some of them, oh, one. Now they see they do one. And at the same leg, now they see carry enter Europe. When be say that man when say one go lick woman bekus, they carry and come, they beat am. That is not the right way to go. That is not the right way to do things. If you see person say he want sleep with your wife, or he want sleep with your girlfriend, or the person thief, or he do something, the best thing to do, report the person to the police. Don't take the law into your hands. Okay, now this coronavirus time, now we say coronavirus day now. See as people take pack gather when they talk say nobody to many people know they gather for one place again. But see the kind crowd when they there. If one person get that coronavirus there now, it go spread and give all of them when they there. Even police now just still carry the man put for station now. They say no. Una want kill the man. A old 13 years old girl, because the story when I fell here, when I say na 15 years old. No, they say na 13 years old. 13 years old girl, now still underage, we know. But now underage when it get sense. 13 years don't get sense. And your job one at the torso now old man. That 13 years old girl now, her blood still strong. You know if he push the old man through, if the 13 years old girl never fed the carry cassava when a big pass papa on. If the 13 years old girl never fed the carry cassava when a big pass papa on. Then it just happen now. When I want born of John Way house, when I want kill of John Way, when I want to do this thing, when I never even investigate. This one now I just allege. They never know whether John Way to do one or whether John Way want be even do one. Una no even know. But wait till I just there after now to destroy. Why be say una no they pass destroy? Now what go again? What are me hour? Why be so they pass like that? My black people which one I chop. Hello, caller.
Hello, my brother.
What? Hey, my superstar. I do, Baba. How far now?
I do. Now, every mommy, is there something I want to talk about because the only way at the orientation you have a question. Where you?
Okay, my name is Nutase.
Oh, you hear me now?
I will hear you now.
See, that man matter when you talk, that man when one go win, say one go leak, people say they talk, I see the way people tell you react and because of the way people take the man. Although I will just talk my own. The truth be say, some people they tell say the woman I ain't doing, the woman want to and that's why I say the woman just man try to give the man number. My brother, I'm more really touching. That man do bad way. Not everybody go to support and say why they beat and why they beat her. I know say the beat where they beat her not good, but you as a man, more forget about law where white people bring or this one bring this. This law who they bring, so they bring on the and they bring destruction to us as human beings. So why? God is there on us. That man, even God talking about it, if you see my person wife, come on, if another person wife they find you. Run for that woman, just run. If she define you wrong. Okay, now, this is happen for Europe, so not being the data where everybody comes. It was in Nigeria, where we say, so if not some place, that is so people use that, so for use that, say they get things. But some people they don't say, the man, this kind of thing, why they go beat her. No. If not Nigeria, now that man, that woman go, a married woman go out, and you know, say don't marry. You start married woman go out, and come find out go some kind of bad area. If not kid, they don't kill that day. Then nobody goes down. Maybe they don't use phone. They don't use anything for like Africa. They just they don't go. And some people now after some time they call the shot saying no talk. And the only way the man talk, they play everything show. Most just start from the beginning. So most just they tell the man say, what did that man do? It's just very bad. What he wants is that okay now we talk about this single woman everywhere. Single girls whenever you marry, I told you everywhere. When one marry. Now the one when you want down another man, now you want as the way they cut it down to who you want. Now that one come be good. I think get the game when you want get for them. They must for that person where they find you as a wrong. You go tell your husband. Okay, say we say Europe, so people as the way they cut it talk, so people come tell you and tell the girl my brother, I will entire wine. No, even if you woman inside you come out when they say to wait there everywhere. When they say you go and 15 euros of place you don't know. Now that one we don't say on that another man, then you go to say you want okay. You get the get to wake up that one to you never Okay, now, the man they get locked now in Europe, like this thing for happen, and we don't just make social media work. Okay, can I go on or ban I have it video? When I go with it, they are not go up. If that ain't even there, because I saw the Sabbath, I request, where you wear it, where you want, where you go to, what you go to put it, what you did that to do is different. What they need to put you on,
Okay, my brother Mudiane. Hello, caller.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, we hear you, caller. You want reply my brother when they talk so?
Hello, because I greet you.
I dey hear you. I see want reply my brother when they talk so.
You say?
We dey hear you. Contribute.
How do you? Okay, bro. So I did look to see for live video.
Okay.
I did come from Benjo.
Okay,
I
Benjo.
sent it tally before. That's why I have to see whether you do WhatsApp just man. Because I remember maybe that one WhatsApp.
Okay, just hold on. May I reply this my brother when he dey on call? Just hold on small. May I reply to my brother when he dey on call?
Okay.
Man.
May I call you back?
Call me back. My superstar. May I tell you something? Married woman, they write her for head.
But the woman.
No. I want you to ask some questions, some few questions. I want you to ask you.
No, they're not the writer for head.
Okay. Married woman when they responsible. When your husband give man number to you, say, call this man, collect my balance. When I take any things, go ask for her, collect her from her. As you collect the money from the man, una banana is not supposed to finish like that.
It's supposed to finish.
Okay. Then the man can't call you again. They tell you, say, your voice is sweet. I love the kind of voice you have. You don't know where that man can't go like that. You as a married woman, what you supposed to do? Now to delete, it gets as my phone this one. As you call me so, if I say you too disturb me, I go put your number for flying mood.
I know.
If you dey call me, you not go dey connect, you not go dey go again. Now so responsible married woman, married wife, now so supposed to dey do am. Not be say you as a married wife, you can't carry your you can't begin to pick on that man number.
But the man guilty, I be not guilty.
The man guilty. Nobody see we for the verse. Now I want to tell you so for the man. Be say why they beat the man. We get authority for Italy now. The law for Italy see they work. Supposed to go report to the authorities.
No, you know what they talk this thing? For the old people, most people they support the man that they stand. But more they tell people in case you go to this country for Africa. So because we don't say yes, you will get many things they get better technology we they look everywhere. But if now why they talk this now? If anybody they do that thing or anybody get them from mind say another person wife you want to stick. Maybe they know say you feel go some place where they say you go there, they will kill you, they will hide you. Nobody go.
Yes, that is true.
That is why we suppose they talk.
That is true. But superstar.
Because when people go to support the man that day now, so
superstar.
They still get that intention.
Superstar. May I tell you something? Superstar? See, let me tell you something. Me, for my own table and for my own platform, I thought say the man is wrong and the woman is wrong. Then number two, I want to tell you something. That woman will tell us, say she's when they date that married, that she's when that husband take marry and say, oh, you both never sleep with her. Or say, never carry her enter car, begin a finger at Bekus. If now Igbo man come that house, they go feel beat her like that as they take beat that man. I don't see say married man will come over inside house. Oyibo will carry a wife enter room. Oyibo will sleep with the wife for the same bed when with the wife together they sleep. That one not get our. That one not be problem.
Well, even if 100 people fall for inside way, it means say another you go see go for inside.
No, you know me. No. Okay, no.
For you to just
problem superstar problem mirror a cause of it. Avec cause of it là, il m'a contribute. Superstar, my opinion when il m'avait call, il m'avait piqué call. Hello caller.
Hello, bro. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, man. Please no insult, man. No insult.
Hello.
We dey hear you, man.
Okay. Though I don't follow the program from beginning, I started listening to one of our web talk where she defend like single ladies and other single mothers, and I want to quickly contribute a little to our uncle when just come when you talk about her as well. See, for that issue, for my own opinion, like waiting I get to talk about that place. The man is 100% faulty, while the woman is 200% faulty.
That's what I said. That is just the truth.
Yeah, I will explain the side when the man for day wrong. As a man, you know the tradition. Forget, say we dey abroad. When we enter abroad, many people they do so many things. You know, even though say where you from Korea get tradition, married women, you know how it they be when they go out of their home. You as the man, where the man from get fought from my own side. I listened to the first record when both of them talk. How the man they destroyed the husband to the lady, which you already know she's married. It's not fair. Now, dear, if for instance the man not they are well, the man not just know say the husband has that one is quite different. But if they destroy the man, like even they plan to go journey with the lady. Tomorrow, if you go journey with the lady, she will still if you follow another man. That's just the plain truth.
Okay.
Why the woman when they say she be fool, when they say she be bring insults to other good women, good married women? As me day, then some boys there when they say they get issue with their ex-girlfriend, they'll come they give their wife, come talk to her and say I don't marry. Me personally, I'm not the trier. Because they need say, anything when you do today, you must surely reap her. Even though say your husband gives you the man number whatsoever, you not get business with the man. Even though say, okay, right, move, put us, you don't already fulfill what your husband sends you. As the man they come, you have every right to shut him down. Epa, we couldn't ya don't want to hear, I'm a married woman. So even though say the man not get them, you talk sense into the man head as a married woman. After the conversation, she and the husband they laugh for the background. And let the man, this my message to that man, if the man they listen to this thing, make him they get her for it. That woman will leave her tomorrow. Now that can people they sleep with their husband best friend without their husband know it. Because I want the husband don't send her to do. Okay. If he send again, but the woman will surely do that because that thing me listening to their conversation, that woman, I think she will do that. If she gets the opportunity, she will sleep with that man.
Okay.
So my message to all women, married women, single ladies, please, make we maintain our dignity. Very important.
Okay, no problem, my sister. No. Okay, no problem. Thank you. But you now, Jude husband as Abi?
Huh?
You are a married woman, Abi?
Of course.
Okay, thank you. Because me know it talk, it be say you did responsible. Thank you for your contribution.
Thank you.
God bless you. Hello, caller.
Hello?
Yeah, I greet you.
How far?
I bet 30 seconds, we hear you.
Okay, no problem.
You dey call me, you dey say how far, no problem. I don't understand. 30 seconds, but you don't understand wetin I talk. Hello, caller.
Hello, my brother. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. 30 seconds. Go ahead with your contribution.
Okay, my contribution is what the second caller called just now. That man that talked before the lady. Now we are talking about the man that go to Germany. Truth is, Peter, the people that said that when they do so that they are making a own maybe a man of one year do.
Madam, Mudani PK Nigeria call now. Mudani PK Nigeria call now.
Hello?
Mudani PK Nigeria call now. Hello, caller from Nigeria. Hello, caller from Nigeria.
Hello?
Yeah, 30 seconds. Go ahead with your contribution.
Okay, bros, wait till me know that one. You don't reach to talk to African German First Lady. You wait there 45 viewers. You get it?
Madam, will they hear you?
Okay. Hello.
Will they hear you?
For that man that me I'm talking about, the truth is bitter. That man, what they did not do it well. Master, when I understand, I support you for what you said, that they could have not bring that man up. Because truth is bitter. The woman caused everything.
Okay.
It's not a stop. When maybe we are going to cook bata, we don't call it anything. We are going to the original technique with Africa shop. So it was a plan between you with the man. So where the man, when the man, you Baba, when I walk, we are barrel water. When I get the meaning of a word, or when I won't see as a weird to what me I believe. Maybe I will when I'm all man will talk to you and all those things. So it depends on you as a responsible woman.
Okay, Mama Mudiane. See the useless girl when you call me just now. Mona see the useless dustbin. You don't remove her picture. Why you remove your picture? Wa gbe omo gbe we go. Wa gbe agbonure wa gwo wa. You dey talk say Mama Mudiane. You dey talk say Africa German First Lady. If I need to talk to Africa German First Lady, who Africa German First Lady be? If she be your God, if she be una God, she's not my God. I talk to her just now, I know insult her. No, you don't make me insult her. Wa gbe omo gbe iwo, wa gwo wa. We no man. Even say they come from Nigeria, if we remove her picture, she could remove her picture. If you know the fear, why you remove your picture? Wa gbe o gwo boy.
Hello, my brother. I the cough here.
My menutaje.
Okay. So as I were saying, that we are very wrong because let us be to be realistic. We go again now. But how about I make me that we are beating that man? We go here now. You turn out who? Now sana igata.
Oni oge.
Okay, ona iwu. Na sana igata because na waje na atuakie coronavirus ruto coronavirus. When I know you, ya iba to kano bu ade wa go da fuero wa. Definitely, yani ki aye go da fuero wa no bu wa ade. What am I going to say? No more you plan working. So that's foolish of you guys. That don't video, but don't move your Facebook.
Oni oge.
Any area with the address now or what? What are you people trying to prove there?
Okay, no problem. I will not turn here.
So for me, I really agree with you. The woman we are not wrong for what happened. It was very wrong of her to do that. Okay, my brother. Thank you.
Okona again no ka call from Nigeria ban. O ma keme ya save picture ge. Ya le get save the picture but o ye keme ya mu eladian. O gbe o. We don't remember Boya Gbebo from Nigeria. The number when is 081 08 21 26 79. Where I call him a boom Africa German First Lady. Africa German First Lady to wa gbeo wa daily yeke u va we wa. Hello caller. Hello caller.
I greet you, my brother.
What?
Hello?
We dey hear you.
But the line is break somehow.
We dey hear you.
Okay, what do you want to talk with this? That issue of that man when for Chris Clara. You understand? That issue don't pass. Maybe they don't bring that issue for on top of this or your topic.
No be
your topic when they are live is very important.
No be
you understand? Anybody will bring out the issue of Chris Clara. Tell them say that one don't pass. That one a past event. Are you getting it? You know, that's what I want to contribute. I beg.
Thank you.
You continue this your program. This one is a very vital program.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, caller. Hello. Hello.
Senior bros, I greet you.
Hey, I greet you, my brother. I dey hear you.
How you said, my bros?
We bless God. And you?
We thank God to. Don't you be like this? We go to talk.
I did live video.
Eh?
I did for live video.
Oh, okay.
You call me back. You see this God. Because of you, because of you, I want follow Africa German First Lady bomber to bomber. You say me get how many viewers? Whether I reach, I want follow bomber to bomber. I worry. Because I not insult her. Me, I not even talk to, because not be she even come in and talk to me. So me, I not just talk to Africa German First Lady. Me, I not even insult her. Me, I just leave her. Me, I not insult her. If you know the fear, why you not leave your picture? Why you remove your picture? So guys, as I was saying, if something happen, the best option not be to beat the man or to beat the woman or to go burn the man's house. No, that is not the best option. The best option is to report the case to police. Is to report the case to police. That is just the best option. You understand? Because you beat the man now, the man fall for ground, he die. Wait till you want to talk. Wait till you want to talk. All this small thing go happen. The next thing get bewa. The next thing go destroy house. The next thing go. All those ones don't make sense. It don't make sense. We get big problem for hand now. The problem we get for now coronavirus. Now they pursue everybody around the world now. We supposed to they concerned about this coronavirus, but now we burn the man house. That's so the man want sleep with the small girl. That's so the man sleep with the person where kill the man, burn the man, do this, do that. No. Golden King, I know they do saga because the message when I pass give Africa German First Lady just now. I know insult her. Now this idiot caller when call me now they insult. That idiot caller when coming from Nigeria now they insult. Not be Africa German First Lady they insult. You understand? So that is just it. May not be all about burn the man house, kill the man, do this. No. Make we stop all those nonsense. If something happen, go report to the police. Go report to the authority. That is why we get law. That is why we get authorities then. You know.